Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Card Kit of the Month video. In order for me to send you this card kit right to your Canadian mailbox, all you have to do is enter this host code when you're shopping with me. It's that easy. There's more information about this card kit and my loyalty rewards at my blog, sunstampin.com. All right, jumping right into the card kit. These are the two colored card bases that you'll get, Starry Sky and Gorgeous Grape. The scalloped circle is Berry Burst and the other one is Starry Sky. They're specialty papers, textured and white core. This is an Artistly ink stamp set. I'm going to use the Hello from that. And I am basically featuring some retired products here, or retiring products. This card kit is going to kick off my Rockin' the Retired list compilation. This is the retiring in colors we're going to say goodbye to. And this double oval punch is also on the retiring list. We're going to say goodbye to that. So if you haven't got the retiring products, you may want to take a look. They're going on sale April 9th. I hope you all are well aware of some products that are actually going to be upwards to 60% off. So I'm attaching that basic white not even a rectangle, it is an oval. So I'm just showing you the white centered papers. And then the blue one happened to be textured, 2022 to 2024 textured specialty paper. I bought them all and didn't use them, so you're going to be seeing them a lot this month because I don't believe in waste, and I'm going to use them to share with you. So this pattern paper is called Perennial Lavender Designer Series paper. And it was a hit and lots of people bought it, and then it went out of, it was hard to get it, and now I've got it and I have too much of it and I've got a month to use it. So I figured I would share it all with you guys, especially my customers. I do definitely like treating you the best I can. So this is a nice 3 1/4 by 4 1/4 inch square, and that basic white is just a mat that goes over it for those of you who are not getting the card kit and would like to copy this design. It's a very simple design. I can see these rectangles being put on the card and then maybe using a little bit of a messy nest of some kind of twine or thread or whatever, and then adhering down with those scallop circle layered punch outs. All right, I'm just centering that on my card. There is a little bit of Berry Burst in there, so that's the reason why I'm using Berry Burst with that color. And then just the Starry Sky for this one. Really simple card kit. Use whatever stamp you want. Anyway, I thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.